Hi, I'm Leelaswarnanjali, interning under Lawminds, and I will be narrating the history of divorce law, mainly in India. Surely everyone would have come across the word divorce, and all of you have already know its meaning as dissolution of marriage, that is legal separation of a married couple. But not everyone is aware of how the practice of divorce is evolved, and I will be describing that. Divorce is the result of breakdown of marriage. It is necessary to know about marriage. And marriage is a bond between two persons which is legally recognized as partners in a personal relationship. By entering into a marital relationship, married couple are entitled to some rights like right to maintenance and also levied with some obligations like protecting their children. And in this peaceful and mutual understanding of marriage, sometimes there can be deviance which lead to breakdown of marriage. And the practice of divorce, that is coming out of marital relationship, is based on both social and legal grounds. And the reasons that can't let marriage relations continue are having no trust and commitment and overly arguing on things, abusing their spouse physically or by hurtful words, and marrying other person or being in a relation with another person other than their spouse. And the next one is how divorce law is evolved in India. Haven't you ever come across or doubted yourself that is it necessary to provide dissolution of marriage provisions? It is known that in ancient times there is no principle of separation. Even with conflicts, spouses used to adjust themselves to live together, which formed a strong family. And since family is the basic structure of society, a strong family leads to strong society. But after independence, in our constitution, fundamental rights were provided to every citizen. That is to say, individual rights are given importance in constitution. And the laws are also being made in accordance with the fundamental rights, that is, individual rights. And that is why divorce provisions were provided in personal laws in favor of individual interests. The laws that provide divorce provisions are many in India. Since India is a diverse country and there are many religions, and as per Indian secularism, state take a positive intervention in protecting every religion. And so we have different laws for different religions according to their religious faith. Divorce of Hindu, Buddhist, Sikh, Jain married couple is dealt with the Hindu Marriage Act, and divorce of Christian married couple is dealt according to Indian Divorce Act. And Muslim married couple divorce will proceed with the dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act according to their personal laws. And dissolution of marriages of interreligious persons are dealt according to the Special Marriage Act. And still, divorce cases are being dealt according to these provisions only. And in the meantime, many changes also took place to divorce provisions by landmark judgments in divorce cases like Shairo Banu case in 2017, where the Supreme Court held instant triple talaq as unconstitutional. It was also criminalized the practice of triple talaq with 3 years of imprisonment and fine. Very recently, there are discussions about implementation of Uniform Civil Code. And if Uniform Civil Code is implemented, all the personal laws will be repealed and every citizen will be governed by same law in matters of marriage, adoption, divorce, inheritance and few more. And many suggestions were received by the government from public about Uniform Civil Code. Mostly Muslims are not in favor of implementing Uniform Civil Code. But by implementing Uniform Civil Code, Muslim women who have discriminatory provisions of divorce can get some relief. And by implementing Uniform Civil Code, it also enhances equality among every citizen of India without being separated by religion. Thank you.